I'm Twine, and I'm a strength coach here at Johnson Space Center. And I help astronauts keep their bodies physically ready for activities on Earth and beyond. When astronauts experience long-duration spaceflight, there is a deconditioning effect that they experience. And likewise, there are cardiovascular consequences that they experience. And a part of our job is to also help astronauts get back to their baseline fitness post-flight. This machine here is the ARED, or Advanced Resistive Exercise Device. And this is the machine that how astronauts get all of their resistance training while they're in flight. Essentially here, works as the barbell, and we can move this bar up or down with whatever exercise that we're doing. This work is important, one, to support the astronauts, also to keep them healthy, also to make sure that they don't get injured. What inspires me is just to being part of a team that's doing the greater mission and seeing that overall outcome of everybody within the team filling in and doing their job and just creating a great successful outcome of the mission. I decided early on when I was in undergrad that I wanted to be a strength coach when I had a friend of mine go to play college football. And he told me that they have people that just work in the weight room. And I knew at that point that's what I wanted to do. I think who inspired me the most about my journey was probably my father. My father always had a certain work ethic that was always somewhat intimidating even when I was growing up, but it definitely helped build a discipline and the understanding of, okay, you can do it type of understanding that I thought was important. And he always held me accountable for everything. But I never questioned his love for me through that whole time. I think one of the coolest aspects of with working here with serving the astronaut corps in the vein of physical readiness is that they trust us to be able to be that resource for them to provide exercise countermeasures for them while they're in space. And I think that trust is so important, but it's very special because they're about to leave the planet for 6 months. And then they're saying, hey, we're trusting you to help us stay healthy while we're off the planet. So I think that is really cool.